In this video, I'll show you how to link your bank account to Crypto.com and how to move your money from the app into your bank. If you don't already have a Crypto.com account, check out the link in the description to sign up for a free account today, and you might even get a valuable prize as a bonus. So let's get started. Open up your Crypto.com mobile app and log in. To connect your bank account, you'll need to set up something called a fiat wallet. From the home screen, tap on Accounts and then choose Fiat Wallet. If this is your very first time setting it up, the app will guide you through the process step by step. Here's something important to know. In most countries, you can't withdraw money to your bank account until you've made at least one deposit from that bank first. This is required for security and regulatory reasons. So, the way you actually link your account is by making a small deposit. Just choose your local currency inside the fiat wallet, and Crypto.com will show you the exact bank details you'll need for the transfer. Open your banking app, send the deposit, and once it arrives, your bank account will be linked automatically to Crypto.com. Now, once that's done, future deposits will be much easier, and more importantly, you'll be able to withdraw money directly to your bank. To withdraw, go back into your fiat wallet, tap Transfer, then select Withdraw. Choose your currency, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the withdrawal. Your linked bank account will already be saved there, so you just select it and the money will be on its way. Processing times can vary depending on your country and your bank. In many cases, the withdrawal only takes a couple of business days, but it can sometimes take a little longer. Either way, once it's set up, it's a very straightforward process. And just so you know, the exact steps and options may look slightly different depending on your country and your currency. For example, users in the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, and Singapore all have slightly different instructions and limits, but the overall process is the same. Link your bank with a deposit, then you can withdraw directly whenever you need. If you want to check the detailed steps for your specific country, you can always visit the help section on the Crypto.com website, where they list all the variations, and that's it. That's how you link your bank account to Crypto.com and withdraw your money into your bank. Don't forget, if you haven't already signed up, use the link in the description to create your free Crypto.com account and possibly get a valuable prize as well.